So students, I hope you are doing a preparation for the half-yearly examination for especially class 5 students, for which I'm here making a video on fractions. And we are doing a small worksheet on fractions which contains the NCERT questions. So we'll start with some of the questions which are usually asked. I've taken a sample question paper of NCERT, and then we are discussing that. Now, the first question is, write if the given fraction is a proper, improper unit, like, unlike, or mixed fraction. Now, if you see over here, 4 over 15, now 4 cannot be cancelled with 15, and numerator is less than the denominator. So hence, it's a proper fraction. Okay. 17 by 23 and 17 by 25. Okay. Now, if you see over here, 17 by 23 and 17 by 25, we are seeing that this also cannot be cancelled. So it's a proper fraction, and whether it is like, unlike, or mixed fraction. So if you see over here, like fraction is when the numerators are same, when the numerators are different, but the denominators are same. Right? So they are not like fractions, they are unlike fractions. Okay. Now the next question, 17 by, find the next three equivalent fractions for the following. So the first equivalent fraction is you multiply it by 2, both sides. It will be 17 times 2 times 25 times 2, which is 34 by 50. Then 17 times 3 and 25 times 3, it is 51 by 75. Then 17 times 4 and 25 times 4, it is 68 by 100. Okay. Similarly, if you multiply it by 2, it will be 12 by 26. The second one, 6 by 3 into multiplied by 2, top and bottom will be 12 by 26. Multiplied by 3, it will be 18 by 39. And multiplied by 4, it will be 6 times 4 will be 24 by 52. Okay. So these are the next three equivalent fractions. Write the following fractions in ascending order. So if you see over here, the following fractions have to write in ascending order. Now we know that when the numerator of a fraction is same and the denominators are different, then the fraction having the largest numerator is the lowest fraction, and the fraction having the lowest numerator is the largest fraction. Why? Because when numerator is less, when the numerator is same, if you divide by a lesser number, then the value of the fraction increases. Okay. So it'll be, so if I compare it, it will be 3 by 11, 3 by 7, 3 by 9, 3 by 13. So if you see it over here, it will be the lowest ascending order I have to place. Ascending order will be 3 by 13, then 3 by 11, then 3 by 9, then 3 by 7. So answer for this question is this one. 3 by 13, then 3 by 11, then 3 by 9, then 3 by 7. Write the following fractions in descending order. Now, when I say descending order, when I say in the fractions, write the fractions in descending order, I can say that when the denominator is same, then the fraction having the largest numerator is the largest fraction, and the fraction having the smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. So it will be, the fractions are 9 by 10, descending order, then 5 by 10, then 3 by 10, then 1 by 10. So this is what we write in descending order. Okay. Now the next question is, you have to compare these two fractions. Now, if you see over here, that which is greater, lesser or equal to. Now 7 by 11 and 6 by 11. Now the denominator is same, which means the numerator will be decide the fraction. So the numerator of this is this side is more than this side, so it will be greater. 5 by 3 and 2 by 3. Again, the denominator is same. The numerator will decide, so 5 is more than 2, so this will be more than this one. 6 by 7 and 6 by 13. Now the numerator is same, but the denominators are different. So if the numerator is same, the lesser the denominator, the greater the fraction, which means 6 by 7 is more than 6 by 13 is your answer. Okay. Now again, we add the fractions. How will you add the fractions? 8 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is how much? You just keep the 10 as same and just add the numerators. When the denominator is same, now your job is to add the numerators. It will be 8 plus 1 is 9 over 10. Answer is 9 over 10. Okay, again you have to solve the fractions 1 minus 3 by 4. How will you solve the fraction 1 minus 3 by 4? You will see that 1 can be written with denominator 4 as 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So 4 minus 3 over 4, which is 1 over 4. So the answer for this question is 1 over 4. Okay, the same question has been repeated in the next page as well. So no use doing this. Go to the next question. How will you convert a given fraction into improper fraction? So how will you convert this into improper fraction? What will you do? You will, when you have got this one whole number and 7 over 9, you write it as 9 into 1 plus 7 over 9. So 9 plus 7 is 16 over 9. So the improper fraction is 16 over 9. Now again, you convert the given fraction to mixed fraction. How will you convert this given fraction to mixed fraction? 125 by 12. So you divide 12 to 125. It will be 12 times 1 is 12. Okay. And 5 does not go. So you put a 0 over here. So the mixed fraction will be 10 and 5 over 12. Right? So the answer for this question is 10 and 5 over 12. Now fill in the given blanks. Now you have to fill in the blanks with equivalent fractions. Now you see over here that 6 by 11 is equal to what over 44. Now you see that the denominator 11 reduces, the denominator 11 becomes 44. How has it become 44? By multiplying it by 4. So the denominator is multiplied by 4. The numerator also should be multiplied by 4 to make the fraction equivalent. So if 11 times 4 is 44, 6 times 4 will be 24, and hence the value will be 24 over 44. Similarly here, if you see over now this is the greater numerator and this is the lesser numerator. So it has reduced to 3. How has it reduced to 3? 36 has reduced to 3 by dividing it by 12. Right? So 36 divided by 3 is 12. So 48 also should be divided by 12, or 48 divided by 12 is 4. So answer is 4. We can also say that 3 has become 36 by multiplying it by 12. So what multiplied by 12 becomes 48? It will be 4. Right? The next question is reduce to lowest terms 40 over 56. So how will you reduce to lowest terms 40 over 56? What we can do is we can cancel it by, first we can cancel it by 2. So it becomes 20 over 28. Then we can cancel it by 2 again. It is 10 over 14. Then we can cancel by 2 again. It is 5 over 7. So the reduced fraction is 5 over 7. Alternately, if you know the table of 8, you can directly cancel 40 by 56 with 8. It will be 8 times 5 and 8 times 7. So directly you can cancel it as 5 over 7. If you don't know the table of 8, then you can start cancelling with table of 2 and reduce it to the lowest terms, and it becomes 5 over 7. Find 2 by 9 of 36. When I say of, I mean 2 by 9 multiplied by 36. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 4 is 36. You have to multiply in such a way that 9 cancels with 36. 9 times 1, 9 times 4, so 2 times 4 is 8. Hence the value is 8. Right? So this was one of the small worksheets of class 5 of fractions, which had all the NCERT questions of all types. I hope you liked the video, and I hope this video will benefit you in your half-yearly preparation. Thank you, and happy learning at VMC. Thank you so much.